So welcome to the portfolio maker. This is our landing page and here is an button to get started. There are some more information on how you can enter your details and get started. You have get started option from here as well, and this is some social links. This page also has dark theme, so you can see there is different images being loaded, how the output will look like once you enter all your details. So this dark image is different in this case as well. You can see here is black and here is a different color, and this changes. So you can get started from here, and if you have already created an account, you can sign in, or if you prefer a new account, then you can sign up. Let's create a new username of Ron. And then let's sign up. So now we can enter details of Ron, and let's try signing up. So we are here, and this is our profile, and this is the profile of Ron. And now there are different ways where one can enter their information. Let's enter some information. And then on clicking the submit button, we'll now get forward to education. After this, we go to education. You can add more entry as well. So this is one previous entry that we had entered, and this is the new entry. And we can now go to experience for the same. We can add few projects. Now we can also add skill sets here. There is also add more options, and it shows you previous skills. And now once this is done, we also have an update route for that. We have logout button as well, and we can see my portfolio portion from here as well. So here is the web page of my created here, and you can see some recently created details. I can add my CV, and if a proper image had been added here, you can see there will be more, and there is timeline for education experience, so as much as timeline can be added here, and even the portfolio. So if a proper image and everything related would be added, then you can see there will be more details can be easily seen here. And here is the contact me portion, and you can simply also have dark theme for this site as well, and the dark theme is also working properly, and it shows my name. And in this way I have created my portfolio using this site, and we get a link towards this site. We can also access API for Ron, and here is all the API and details about Ron from here. So that would be all, and thank you for watching. I will see you next time.